All right, 7th graders, lesson 54 here, talking about ratios and word problems. An example, they say the ratio of parrots to macaws was 5 to 7. So if there were 750 parrots, how many macaws were there? We can figure this out by doing a ratio box. And we'll put P up here for parrots and M for macaws. Over here will be the ratio, and over here will be the actual number. So the ratio of parrots to macaws is 5 to 7. We know we have a total of 750 parrots. So we can write that over here as a fraction, and we want to know that bottom number there. Well, again, we cross multiply, and then we will divide. So we'll have 750 times 7. 7 times 0 is 7. 7 times 5, that'll be 35. 7 times 7, 49. So that'll be 52. 5,250. Now we need to divide that by 5. 5,250 divided by 5, that'll be 1. Carry down the 2, that'll be a 0. Carry down the 5, that'll be a 5. And this will be a 0. So that means there were 1,050 macaws. So that's how we can solve these types of problems. Here in the example, in the auditorium, the ratio of boys to girls was 5 to 4. So boys to girls was 5 to 4. We need to remember here that when doing ratios, always be very careful of how you read it. Here we read boys to girls was 5 to 4. So if boys, the word boys comes first, and the number 5 is first there, the two that should go together there. And then they tell us if there were 200 girls in the auditorium, how many boys were there? Well, just to look at this, we see that 5 is a little bit larger than 4, so our answer should be a little bit larger than that part there. Again, we can write over here the fraction, multiply diagonally, and then divide. So 200 times 5, that's going to be 1,000. 1,000 divided by 4, that's going to be 250. So we can write up back in the box, and our answer is 250 boys were in the auditorium. That's it for today. You can get started on your practice set.